Hello, I would like to tell about our project Ensemble Deep Learning Models for Segmentation of Prostate Zonal Anatomy and Pathologically Suspicious Areas. The project was developed in Laboratory of Applied Artificial Intelligence in National Information Processing Institute, Warsaw, Poland. By me, Jakub Mitura, Rafał Jóźwiak, Jan Mycka, Igor Michalewicz, Michał Konat, Piotr Sobecki, Tomasz Lorenz and Krzysztof Tupikowski. It was developed as a part of the wider project InfoStrateg I0036-2021, a grant by the Narodowe Centrum Badań i Rozwoju, National Center for Research and Development, and the project name is AI Enhanced Radiology Detection, Reporting and Clinical Decision Making in Prostate Cancer Diagnosis. The main idea behind current work is to develop deep learning models for automatic detection and delineation of prostate cancer lesions and segmentation of zonal prostate anatomy using multiparametric magnetic resonance imaging. We had used into this the variation of the UNAT model, where we had modified it by adding pre-training head. So the part based on mask autoencoder that had been trained on publicly available oncological magnetic resonance imaging datasets. Then the model without the pre-training head was used on our private dataset together with automatically delineated prostate zonal anatomy in 5-fold cross-validation. So we bagged 5 models trained on different folds and we got the final result. The dataset that I mentioned is a private dataset of 607 multiparametric MRI with some clinical data like biopsy and some data from radiologists that had designed the pirates. As we can see here, we also see the results. In green we have the output of our model. The top one is the false positive, as the gold standard is this yellow one. So in a lot of situations the gold standard and output of our model agrees, but not in all. However, we also needed the numerical evaluation of our model. For this we used the area under the curve and average precision. Those metrics was used from the PKI challenge repository in order to get it objectively. We also see the 2 columns. So in the first column we have the gold standard as based on the radiological data, and on the other side, the gold standard was based on the pathomorphological data. In conclusion, our model is based on the same ideas as the NN unit, however with some changes. This is the next work from the long list of works of such type, but we have been able to improve the results at least on our own datasets, and we hope that our work would be able to further develop the field. Thank you very much for the attention.